Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Customizing management reports is completely different from customizing preset reports. To customize a management report, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Management Reports link in the page that opens to the right to view the management reports. To create a copy of a management report template to edit so you can preserve the existing management report templates, which is recommended, click the drop-down in the Action column for the management report template you want to use as the basis for your new custom management report template within this list. Then select the Copy command from the drop-down menu to create a copy of the management report. To then customize the copy of the management report you have created, click the drop-down in the Action column of the copy of the management report, and then select the Edit command from the drop-down menu to open the Management Reports template page. To rename this management template copy, type a name for it into the Template Name field in the upper left corner of this window. To set the report period for the report, use the Report Period drop-down in the upper right corner of the window. The different sections of this management report template appear in a list at the left side of the window. The different sections are named Cover Page, Table of Contents, Preliminary Pages, Reports, and Endnotes. Clicking these sections displays their customization settings at the right side of the page. The toolbar at the bottom of the page contains buttons used to manage the custom management report template. To customize the cover page, click the cover page icon at the left side of the window. In the page that opens to the right, you can click the Cover Style drop-down button to select a style from the drop-down menu of styles shown. If you have uploaded a company logo, it appears to the right in the logo area. You must have loaded the logo before customizing the management report, however. You can also change the cover title, subtitle, report period, prepared by, prepared date, and disclaimer fields within this page to edit their content. To hide the field content from the report, simply delete the field's content. A preview of the report's cover page appears to the right and lets you instantly see the changes that you make. To customize the table of contents, click the Table of Contents icon at the left side of the window. In the page that opens to the right, you can include or exclude the table of contents by checking or unchecking the Include Table of Contents checkbox. If included, you can rename the page by changing the page title shown in the page title field. The names of any reports included within the Reports section appear within the Page Content Preview section. To edit the preliminary pages of the report, click the Preliminary Pages icon at the left side of the window. To include or exclude a preliminary page, check or uncheck the Include This Page checkbox that appears at the right side of the page. If included, you can change the page's title and content within the Page Title and Page Content fields. Preliminary pages often contain additional information about the reports or the company. To add additional preliminary pages, click the Add New Page link at the bottom of the current page. To delete a page you have added, click the trash can icon in its upper right corner. To change the reports contained within the management report, click the Reports link at the left side of the page to show the list of reports to the right. To remove an existing report from this list, click the pencil icon to the right of the Reports row to open the report's details. Then click the trash can icon that appears in the upper right corner of the Reports Details section to remove the report. To edit the report's details, change the values shown in the Reports Details section. To change the report's title or reporting period, enter a new title into the title field, or select a new report period from the Period drop-down. If available, you can often compare the report to the previous year or period by checking the Compare Previous Year or Compare Previous Period checkboxes. To add a new report, click the Add New Report link to open a New Report Details section to the list of reports. Then select the report's name from the Select a Report drop-down and set any additional reporting settings that are available for the selected report if needed. Any reports within this report list also appear within the table of contents if using a table of contents within the management report. To edit the endnotes of the report, Click the EndNotes icon at the left side of the window to view its settings to the right. EndNotes often include a closing page and a breakdown of subaccounts. To add EndNotes, check the Include this page checkbox. To also include a breakdown of subaccounts, check the Include breakdown of subaccounts checkbox. Doing this then creates a schedule that lists any subaccounts for line items in your reports when you preview the report. To edit the page's title or contents, change the page title or page content fields. To cancel creating the report template, click the Cancel button in the toolbar at the bottom of the page. To preview or print the management report, click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar to open the report in a Print Preview window. You can then print or download the report from the Print Preview window as normal. Clicking the Advanced button in the toolbar opens a small window that lets you change the company name field and add custom information to the header or footer of the management report pages by typing text directly into the fields or by clicking the Fields button at the right end of the fields to insert report data fields. To show only non-zero rows and columns, check the Show Only Non-Zero Rows and Columns checkbox. Then click the OK button in this window to save and close it when finished. To save the management report template, click the Save button in the toolbar. At the right end of the toolbar is a drop-down button with Save and Close as its default setting. Clicking the drop-down arrow shows the other Save As, Export as DOCX, Export as PDF, and Send commands. To save the template and close the window, simply click the Save and Close button. To save the report as a Word file, choose the Export as DOCX command. To save the report as a PDF, choose the Export as PDF command. To open an email management report window that lets you address and create an email used to send the report, choose the Send command. It is also important to note that if you did not change the template name, saving the changes replaces the default template with your changes. Ensure you change the template name at the top of the page before saving your changes if you did not do this when you started.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.